Yeah, this is good. This is little appetizers. The drinks is good. Pass them already. What's the bowl? We're gonna look. Get your little plate. What'd you get? Come on, get you a plate. It's on the bottom. Get you a plate. Yo, get you a plate, bro. Get you a plate. I don't know.
I'm gonna try it.
Try it. Yeah. Come. What? You ready? Yeah.
Is that one?
Hold on, I can't.
No, that's mine. You ready?
I can't even take a picture. Look, take your picture and then take my picture and then look, take your picture.
Stop.
Look, take your picture.
You know what you're doing? It's done. You got that? You know what you're doing? I don't think you know how to open that. You want your sister to open it? It's a crab. You don't want it or no?
It smells like a steak. I mean, it smells like it's nasty.
It's a crab, bro. Just bust it open. Bust that crab open.
It tastes like the ones we have.
Bust it open. Maya, bust that crab open for him. Let her do it for you, okay? Look at that. Let me see. My girl, my Prizzo.
You gotta bite it. I can't do it.
You gotta bite it. You wanna bite it?
Bite it.
Show her how to bite it.
Like bite it. Like bite it.
Yeah.
Here.